Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DNA tests is probably one of the most fascinating and revealing tools available today, offering a unique window into your ancestry, health predispositions, and even your connection to ancient populations, allowing you to unlock the secrets hidden within your genetic code and embark on a journey of self-discovery that can profoundly change how you see yourself and your place in the world. Number 5. 23andMe Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Explore over 500 plus geographic regions to understand your unique heritage. Discover connections to historical groups and gain insights into your family's past. Get the most detailed geographic breakdown of your ancestry, sometimes down to the specific village your ancestors came from. It's an innovative way to see where you belong. Learn what makes you unique with personalized trait reports. Uncover the science behind your characteristics, from taste preferences to sleep habits. Simply collect a saliva sample at home and mail it back. Receive your personalized genetic reports in just 4 to 5 weeks, all without needles or blood. Opt in to find and connect with others who share your DNA. Our automatic family tree makes it easy to visualize your genetic relationships. Your genetic data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with enhanced security measures. What we like? This kit offers the most detailed geographic breakdown of your ancestry, sometimes down to the village level. It also provides fun and personalized trait reports, helping you understand unique characteristics. If you are looking for a deep dive into your heritage and want to discover more about your personal traits, this is the one for you. What people say. The DNA test kit is easy to use, with clear instructions for collecting a saliva sample. Results were delivered quickly, providing detailed insights into ancestry and health predispositions. The online platform is user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and understanding of the genetic reports. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your wellness with insights for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these reports to make informed decisions about your family's future. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey. Explore your unique genetic makeup and its impact on your well-being. What we like? This service provides FDA-authorized reports on health predispositions and carrier status, giving you actionable insights into your health. It also offers personalized wellness recommendations for diet and exercise. If you are proactive about your health and want to understand your genetic risks and potential, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The DNA test kit provides comprehensive ancestry insights, breaking down results by region and population group. Easy-to-use saliva collection kit with clear instructions for sample submission. The online platform offers detailed reports and interactive tools to explore genetic predispositions and health traits. Number 3. Embark Breed and Health Dog DNA Test. Unlock the secrets within your dog's DNA. This comprehensive test reveals over 400 breeds and screens for more than 270 health risks, offering unparalleled insights into their well-being. Identify potential genetic health conditions early, like medication sensitivities or heart issues. Knowing these risks allows you to plan proactive care and potentially prevent symptoms before they appear. Get the most accurate breed identification, even for mixed breeds. It analyzes over 200,000 genetic markers, far exceeding most other tests on the market. This is the only DNA test that provides personalized allergy risk scores for environmental, food, and flea allergies. You'll also receive expert veterinary tips for managing them. Understand your dog's predicted adult size, coat type, and shedding levels. This information is especially helpful for new puppy or rescue dog owners. Collecting a sample is easy with our at-home swab kit. Results are typically available in 2 to 4 weeks, and you'll have access to veterinary support and free updates. What we like? This is the only dog DNA test kit that includes personalized allergy risk scores across environmental, food, and flea allergies. It also offers the most accurate breed identification for mixed breed dogs and screens for over 270 genetic health conditions. If you're a dog owner concerned about your pet's health, allergies, or curious about their breed mix, this kit is essential. What people say. The kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear. The results were delivered quickly and were very detailed. I was impressed with the accuracy of the genetic information provided. Number 2. MyHeritage DNA Test Kit. Uncover your family history and connect with relatives you never knew existed. Explore both your maternal and paternal lineages with ease. Gain a comprehensive understanding of your ethnic background. Our extensive list of 42 regions, including 7 in East Asia, provides unparalleled detail. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just a quick cheek swab takes only 2 minutes to complete, making Ancestry discovery accessible to everyone. Our vast global database allows you to find DNA matches from all over the world. Discover connections you never imagined. Access your detailed test results without any hidden fees. We utilize the highest technological standards for accurate and reliable insights. What we like. This kit provides a detailed ethnicity breakdown across 42 regions, including specific East Asian regions, and allows you to find relatives you never knew existed. It uses high technological standards and comes at an affordable price. If you're looking for a comprehensive yet budget-friendly way to explore your ancestry and connect with DNA matches, this is a great option. What people say. The kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear. The results were delivered quickly and were very detailed. I was impressed with the accuracy of the DNA analysis. Number 1. 23andMe Plus Premium Advanced Ancestry and Health DNA Test Kit. Discover the power within your DNA. This advanced kit offers comprehensive insights into your ancestry and health, providing a deeper understanding of yourself. Go beyond basic ancestry. Explore over 100 reports, including advanced genetic health insights and personalized health action plans. Trace your heritage with enhanced filters and connect with relatives. Take control of your well-being. Understand your predispositions to certain health conditions and learn about your carrier status for inherited diseases. Optimize your lifestyle with genetic wellness insights. Journey through your origins with the world's most detailed ancestry breakdown. Discover your haplogroups, Neanderthal ancestry, and build your family tree automatically. Your privacy is paramount. Your genetic data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. You decide what to learn and what to share. Gain access to exclusive reports and features for a full year. This includes advanced insights like pharmacogenetics and personalized health tracking. Join the ranks of innovation. This kit has been recognized in Time's Best Inventions Hall of Fame, a testament to its groundbreaking technology. What we like. This premium service unlocks over 100 reports, including advanced genetic health insights like pharmacogenetics, which explains how your body processes certain medications. It also includes a personalized health action plan and a 1-year prepaid membership for exclusive features. If you want the most in-depth health and ancestry information, including how medications might affect you, this is the ultimate package. What people say. The DNA test kit is easy to use and provides detailed genetic insights. I was impressed by the accuracy of the results and the comprehensive report. The online platform is user-friendly and allows for easy access to my genetic data. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.